It's been a little bit over a week since I created this centerpiece for my dining room table, and now some of the flowers are fading and getting a little drabby and such, so I'm going to be cutting off the stems and putting them over into a different vase as I get rid of various flowers and leaves and things that are no longer viable for the bouquet. And I had so many flowers left over here that now I'm going to make a second arrangement, and I'm just going to use my little white tea kettle that one of my good friends in Yuma had purchased for me that I've never even used yet. I'm going to put the amber arrangement on the kitchen table and the teapot arrangement on the dining room table. So this is a way that you can turn one arrangement into two as your flowers start to die out, so that you're not throwing these away. Just be sure to add some more floral preservative into your fresh water for your new arrangements, and then cut your stems at an angle like I showed you previously to refresh and revitalize your floral bouquets. I love this little teapot. How cute is that? Thank you, Amanda. I'm finally getting to use it, girlfriend. And then my amber vase. I love these things. I love making my own arrangements out of flowers from the grocery store. If you're like me and you like to collect cool looking vases so that you can do things like this, it's very easy and economical. Even check out your local Goodwill stores, because you can find a lot of dishes. They're not necessarily vases. Like this teapot actually would make a lovely vase. You don't have to necessarily drink tea out of it, although this didn't come from the Goodwill. You can do all sorts of things to make beautiful floral arrangements for your home. And if you can grow your own flowers, go for it, I say. But Monica is not quite that talented. This is something I never actually drink tea out of. I would be hesitant to use a dish that I would be consuming food in after using it as a vase. So just keep that in mind. But I think this is a wonderful way to refresh and revitalize an existing floral bouquet and change up the look of it as you go, so that you're not just throwing the flowers in the trash as they wilt. Here's my kitchen table where I'm having this right by the window. I think it's lovely, and this actually lends itself well to the colors on my table. So now instead of the one floral arrangement, I have two. Have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye!